Okay, Picoin holders, let's do our market update looking at the price action for Picoin and the overall market so we can figure out exactly what is happening and what might be coming next. Now, please remember that nothing in my videos is ever financial advice because, of course, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy chilling in his room. Now, we can see here Picoin 59 cents. Well, 0.5972, which is up 0.65% on the day, which is actually pretty nice to see. You can see $4 billion market cap, up slightly, but we are still losing that volume, guys. The volume is what I think will be the deciding factor for the larger exchanges like Binance and Coinbase to list this sort of coin. If the volume keeps dropping, guess what? Exchanges won't be as interested in listing because volume is where their fees come from. So the more volume, the more money that's to be made, the more excitement an exchange like Binance, like Coinbase, like whatever else would be to list the coin. The more likely they would be to list the coin. So that's one negative thing that's happening right now. And of course, we are having a little bit of a lackluster move, even though the market is looking all right. If we look at Bitcoin, 81,200, which is pretty tasty in my eyes, in a technical level, does look like we're putting in a little bit of a higher low formation there if you zoom in, and I do want to see 81,700 break, and ideally the recent high of about 83,005 would dictate a more bullish structure in this market. Now, we can't decide what's going to happen yet because at the moment, basically everything is dictated by Mr. Trump here, who just yesterday was talking about how his billionaire buddies made hundreds of millions of dollars in the recent pump. Let me know what you think about that down there in the comment section. But Bitcoin wise, where you go, and there we go. If we can start to move upwards, of course, Bitcoin pretty much dictates what happens in the rest of the market. And right now, what dictates what happens to Bitcoin is the stock market. And we are right now on the futures market a little bit green. Let me just refresh this to make sure it's all still correct. Yes, still green, 0.38%. So this is probably why Bitcoin's price is moving up. Then hopefully we'll see some altcoins move up. And then hopefully Picoin can start to benefit. As you know, I am pretty much bearish on the price action of Picoin. I've been bearish since up here. And guys, if you can do me a favor, smash the subscribe button. Come on. I'm pretty much the only YouTuber I can find that was bearish on the price action. Everyone else was telling you it was about to do 100, 10, 100, 1000x. And I told you the price is most likely to go down because of the reasons we spoke about. So subscribe so you can stay up to date with the market from someone who isn't just trying to feed you nonsense to get views, because I could get a lot more views telling you that I think Picoin's going to 1000x tomorrow, but I'm not going to do that. So what do I think now? I still think a $4 billion market cap is extremely high for a project that doesn't even put money into new graphic design, for a project that, let me check. Last time I checked, they hadn't posted in like 8 days. Let's see if they can be bothered to post. Nope, still can't be bothered. So it's the 11th of April, and they haven't posted on their Twitter since the 1st of April. This is a $4 billion market cap, and they can't be bothered to post on their Twitter account, guys. Come on. If anyone from Pi is watching this, which I know full well they're not, but if they are, post on your Twitter, because the community deserves better from you, and you have a $4 billion market cap. So put some effort in. There is a lot of people here who are rallying behind you, who believe in you. So put some effort in. It's not hard to write a tweet. It's not hard to put some of the money you've made into making a better product, into making the utility that you promised, all of that sort of stuff, guys. So I believe that because of the community, not so much because of the company behind this anymore, but because of the community, there could still be opportunity here. But if this carries on, I think significant moves to the downside is still very much possible. All right, because a $4 billion market cap, in fact, what does that put it at? It's still 28, 27. Let's refresh that and make sure it's still the same. 28, 27, yeah. So a market cap, the 27th largest cryptocurrency in the planet, and the company can't even post on their Twitter. Come on. I think, like, yeah, it's very frustrating. And I'm here for the community. And I think the community is strong, one of the strongest in the market. And we have seen proof in the pudding, right? That community coins, this is our YouTube DCA portfolio. It is underperforming Bitcoin. It was overperforming Bitcoin by a long shot. But this is our community portfolio. Now, this is up $5,800, up 48% from where we started it. We've been DCAing since, 2023 on this live on the channel. You can see we made a lot of money and it's come all the way back down. I'm not actively trading this account. This is just an account that I'm building. And let me know if you think I should add Picoin to this. Do you think it's going to move? I think this is a much better place to be buying Picoin than where it was before, but I do want to hear your inputs. And do you agree with what I'm saying? Do you think there's more downside? Do you think the team could be doing more work to help the community? Let me know in the comment section. And I'm sorry I'm not massively bullish right now. I do think that there is room for us to grow, but I think that the team need to pull their finger out. I'm sorry, that's just how I feel. Now, if you want to trade Picoin or long or short, basically one of the only exchanges that you can do it on with the futures market is weak. So that means you can short it and you can long it, and you can get up to $30,000 worth of USDT bonuses. All you need to do to sign up, email address, password, and then read the terms of service, and you guys can trade on this exchange from anywhere in the world. And guys, it works really, really well. It's fast. You can access it from anywhere. You can trade on the spot market. You can trade on the futures market. You can copy trade. You can use their We Launch platform. There's so much to do here. So if you do want to check it out, the link's in the description. But please, of course, always do your own research. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.